Hey guys, so yeah, as you read in the title, I'm gonna be doing a solve, but I alternate hands after every turn. So for example, I would do this, but then I'd have to give the cube to my next hand, and then do the next turn like this, and like that, and so on like that. So yeah, I guess let's just get right into this challenge. Okay, so there we go. I've scrambled my cube here. So I guess it's just time to inspect. Let's see. Okay, I think I know what I can do for cross now. So yeah, anyway, let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's the first turn. And there. Okay, let's just put down red here. And now this. And this. Okay, let's try to pick up the pace now. Okay. Okay. We're about to insert our first pair here. There we go. Oh yeah, by the way, double flicks are allowed because they just count as one move. Okay. Oof. Okay. Okay, we got this, guys. We're on. It's third pair, actually. Yeah. Okay, now last pair. Okay, and it seems like we're gonna get a cross OLL, which is good. Okay. There we go. Let's just do this OLL. Like this. Okay, let's pick up the pace right now. Okay, yes, this is really good. It's a U perm, so this will be good. Wait. There we go. Okay, we're almost done, guys. So there we go. This, and now it's just time to fix AOF. Done. So there we go, guys. 1 minute 59.46, just a few milliseconds before 2 minutes. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed, guys, and also let me know what time you got doing this challenge. I'll also try to see if I can improve and get a faster time than 1 minute 59. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching again, and yeah, bye for now.